while you're eating a strawberry or drinking tea, why not select the one that's most potent for preventing cancer?
You know, science leads the way, and it's still true even if you don't believe it. So,
Dr. William Li, a renowned physician, scientist, and author, has extensively researched the relationship between diet and health, with a particular focus on the role of angiogenesis in cancer and other diseases. Angiogenesis is the process by which new blood vessels form, and it plays a crucial role in tumor growth and metastasis. Dr. Li's work emphasizes the importance of consuming foods that can inhibit angiogenesis as a means of preventing and even treating cancer. In today's video, we will reveal the transformative power of 5 natural drinks listed by Dr. William Li to combat cancer and burn fat effectively. As the prevalence of cancer rises, Dr. Li shares insights into ingredients that offer potent benefits for cancer patients and helps to burn unhealthy body fat. From understanding angiogenesis to practical tips for incorporating these beverages into your daily routine, this video arms you with the knowledge you need for a healthier, more vibrant life. Before we start, make sure you have hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Drinks as health boosters. Dr. William Li has discussed how certain drinks can serve as health boosters, contributing to overall well-being and potentially reducing the risk of various diseases, particularly cancer and obesity. Dr. William emphasizes the importance of incorporating these beverages into a balanced diet to optimize their health benefits. Not all, but some certain drinks can be highly beneficial for people suffering from different kinds of diseases. According to Dr. Li, health-boosting drinks offer a variety of benefits, including the nutrient-rich ingredients supplying essential vitamins and minerals to the body. They also possess the anti-inflammatory properties, which combat chronic inflammation linked to diseases. Apart from these, the health-boosting drinks also help to reduce stress, maintain weight, and burn the excess body fat. Moving towards our main focus, here are the 5 drinks that Dr. William Li had revealed after his years of research. Green tea.
my assumption, the hypothesis, is that you're going to actually see that Japanese tea is the most potent, like matcha, for example. And what I found was, in fact, that Earl Grey was the most potent when it comes to angiogenesis.
We all know that green tea has a bunch of benefits, and it does burn body fat. But one thing we might not be aware of is that it is helpful in killing cancer cells and inhibits angiogenesis. Regarding green tea, Dr. Li has spoken about its potential health benefits, particularly its anti-angiogenic properties. There are certain studies that support green tea for its high-performing benefits. One such study mentioned by Dr. Li is the Shanghai Women's Health Study that followed 69,000 women and found that those who drank tea at least 3 times per week had a 37% reduction in the risk for colon cancer, compared to women who didn't drink green tea. Adding green tea to your daily diet can definitely be a good choice. Green tea contains various bioactive compounds, including epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which have been shown to inhibit angiogenesis and thereby suppress tumor growth. Not only does the EGCG inhibit cancer cells, but it is also a great inhibitor of various viruses, including the 1 hepatitis C and human immunodeficiency virus, from entering host cells by interfering with virus cell receptor interactions. Along with EGCG, caffeine is also present in green tea, which together with EGG increases the rate of metabolism in the body. Catechin helps to break down the excess fat that is unhealthy for your body, and caffeine helps to produce more energy by utilizing it. In his book, Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself, Dr. Li discusses the role of green tea in promoting health and combating disease. He highlights the evidence supporting green tea's anti-cancer effects, citing studies like the Shanghai Women's Health Study, as we saw, and other epidemiological research that have demonstrated a link between green tea consumption and a reduced risk of certain cancers. But is it advised to drink green tea hot or cold? When will it work the best?
Is it hot tea or cold tea? Well, in the research lab, we've got to use cold tea. We use cold tea. We turn the hot tea into iced tea, and the next day when it was cold, we then tested it in the lab. So this shows that this anti-angiogenic cancer-starving property of tea, the EGCG, is present in both the hot tea. The good news there is hot tea, iced tea, it all works. It actually helps our circulation. It's been shown in the lab to help fight cancer growth. Other studies have shown lowers blood pressure, helps your blood cholesterol.
Moreover, Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of consuming green tea in its purest form, such as matcha, which contains higher concentrations of beneficial compounds compared to traditionally brewed green tea. Matcha, also known as Japanese tea, is made from finely ground green tea leaves, retains more of the plant's nutrients and antioxidants, making it a potent source of health-promoting compounds. Although everyone has a different taste and a different style of making their tea, there's one specification that came out regarding how you steep your tea. Well, that makes a huge difference. The more you steep, the more natural cancer-fighting substances will be released into your cup of tea. Just taking a tea bag and letting it dip in the tea for a few more minutes will not make things work out. You'll have to dunk it up and down a lot more times than usual to get the most benefits. Coffee.
Those who drank 2 to 3.5 cups of coffee per day had a 30% lower risk of all-cause mortality. That means death from any cause. Coffee has a natural chemical called chlorogenic acid that does a lot of things. It improves your blood flow, stimulates your own stem cells to help your organs regenerate. Organic coffee has more chlorogenic acid than conventionally grown beans.
Doctors often prevent their patients from consuming coffee as it contains caffeine, which is a sleep inhibitor. But recent research by Dr. Lee ensures that drinking a cup of coffee each day can boost the metabolism rate as well as it will kill the cancer cells. The purest form of coffee beans contains polyphenols, which are capable of triggering beneficial DNA functions. Polyphenols are a group of naturally occurring compounds found in plants, including coffee beans, renowned for their antioxidant properties and myriad health-promoting effects. Coffee can be beneficial to cancer patients as it epigenetically activates the tumor suppressor gene, RARP2. This means that certain polyphenols in coffee, such as chlorogenic and caffeic acid, have the remarkable ability to influence gene expression without altering the underlying DNA sequence. By doing so, it effectively turns on the tumor suppressor gene RARP2, which plays a pivotal role in thwarting the growth and increase of cancer cells. This activation of certain genes by the effect of chlorogenic and caffeic acid present in the coffee is also guaranteed by the scientists at the University of South Carolina, where they saw a drastic decrease in the growth of human breast cancer cells. Moreover, the caffeine present in the coffee helps to stimulate thermogenesis, a process through which the body burns calories and generates heat, resulting in a higher rate of metabolism and burning the excess fat. Pomegranate juice.
This is a pomegranate. Here's what's in the juice. It's got something called elagitanins. These are bioactive. It's actually, they can cut off the blood supply to tumors, so they can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply. But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called Akkermansia. This is a guardian of the gut and guardian of health.
100% real fruits are always advised by many doctors, but not all benefits the same as pomegranate juice does. You may drink 100% pure orange juice with zero added sugar and end up with high amounts of sugars and calories as they are naturally filled with it. However, pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols such as elagitanins and anthocyanins that can inhibit breast and prostate cancer growth. Pomegranate juices have shown highly beneficial results in fighting the cancer cells in various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, colon, and lung cancer, all because of its anti-cancer properties. Pomegranate juice has demonstrated remarkable potential in fostering the growth of Akkermansia, a beneficial bacteria known for its ability to modulate the immune system, enhance blood glucose metabolism, mitigate gut inflammation, and address obesity. Due to this, pomegranate juice not only protects you from unhealthy body fat deposition, but it also protects you from the harmful effects that the bad sugar has on your body. It has a lot of benefits, so does it mean to consume a lot? Absolutely not. It is not recommended to drink half a bottle of pomegranate juice altogether at once, but you can take a glass of it every day. Tomato sauce.
Let's take a tomato as a great example. There are natural substances, natural chemicals, like lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid. It helps to make the tomato red. It has lots and lots of healthful properties. It's a powerful antioxidant. I've studied lycopene in a laboratory, and it actually can help starve cancers by cutting off the blood supply.
Dr. William Lee's research highlights the potential benefits of tomatoes and tomato-based products like tomato sauce in cancer prevention and overall health. Tomatoes stimulate the production of fat-burning amino acids called carnitine, a compound responsible for burning fat in the body. tomatoes are undoubtedly low in calories and thus prevent unwanted fat from getting deposited. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients and antioxidants, including lycopene, which has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, such as prostate cancer, by inhibiting cancer cell growth and reducing inflammation. All the anti-angiogenic properties of tomatoes are controlled by lycopene, which is highest in San Marzano tomatoes, tangerine tomatoes, and red-black skin tomatoes. Lycopene can be found in different forms in tomatoes, such as in raw tomatoes, it is found in the form of CIS lycopene, which is hard to absorb by the body. However, if you want to unlock all the benefits of tomatoes, try cooking them for up to 2-3 minutes until they look like a sauce. At this stage, the lycopene is transformed into translycopene, which is fat-soluble and combines with olive oil to boost the absorption rate. More than 30 studies show the positive effects of tomatoes on prostate cancer.
Is a study of 79,000 men followed over 20 years, in which it was found that men who consumed cooked tomatoes 2 to 3 times a week had up to a 50% reduction in their risk of developing prostate cancer. Those who ate more servings of tomato sauce actually had fewer blood vessels feeding their cancer. So this human study is a prime example.
Red wine. Red wine isn't just delicious, it might also be good for you. Scientists have found that drinking a small amount of red wine every day can help your body stay healthy in different ways. One cool thing, as mentioned by Dr. Lee, is that red wine helps your body make more stem cells. Stem cells are like the repair crew for your body. They fix things up and keep you healthy, especially as you get older. Even just having about 1 to 2 glasses of red wine each day can make a big difference. Another amazing thing about red wine that came out is that it might help fight cancer. Scientists have discovered that it can stop cancer cells from getting the blood they need to grow. This could be a big deal in helping us beat cancer. But not all red wines are the same. Some, like Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon, are better for you because they have more of the good stuff. Just remember, it's important not to drink too much. Having 2 glasses a day is fine, but going overboard can cancel out the good effects. But what makes it beneficial, which the other alcohol drinks lack? Dr. William Lee, with his years of research, have found the presence of resveratrol, a compound found in the skins of red grapes and thus in red wine. Resveratrol has garnered attention for its antioxidant properties, which have been associated with various health benefits. Research suggests that resveratrol may possess anti-inflammatory properties and could potentially inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Furthermore, moderate consumption of red wine has been linked to improved cardiovascular health. The antioxidants present in red wine, including resveratrol, may help reduce inflammation and improve the function of blood vessels, thereby lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, the next time you drink red wine, remember you're not just drinking it for taste, but it is again advisable to not overconsume it. Well, is it all your body needs? Absolutely not. You might be suffering from any other disease or just want to live longer. Am I right? You can eat some of the secret 12 foods that might help you out. Want to know about those 12 foods? Just click over here.